Mr. G, and this is your 1-minute lesson. Today we're doing power chords! Come on, check it out. Alright. Guitars are like a grid. Basically, you have the E chord, the E string, which is the 6th string. That's up here, okay? I'm going to put my finger on the 1st right here. And then over here, I'm going to put my 3rd finger on the 5th string. So it's like this.
30 seconds.
All right. So you play it like this, but you can move it all the way up the neck. So let me play you a song. Here we go. Wild thing. You make my heart sing. You make everything.
10 seconds.
Grooving. I'm Mr. G. That was your 1-minute lesson on power chords. I'll see you tomorrow.